This is to give you the clearance from our L88 hood. This is one of the first hoods we made to go with the race car that we started off with down this road of custom C1, 2, and 3 parts about 4 years ago. And it's done nothing but grow fast and furious. So we're up over 400 molds now that we've made, and we're not slowing down. This is giving you a clearance on the L88 C2. We're taking our measurements right now. We're starting from the front edge of the hood, and we're coming back roughly 22 inches from the flange of the hood. We have a stock 63 there, reproduction. We've already done it on that versus the Stinger, and I'll go through all that here in a minute. So our stock hood at this dimension right here, back 22 inches, stock 63 hood, which is going to be in the middle of the X. That's important to know that part of it. You have 2 1/4 inches of clearance there. The Stinger hood, you have 4 1/4 inch clearance. And the L88 hood, you have 5 1/4 inch clearance, back roughly 22 inches. Now we're going to come back 26 inches. The stock style reproduction hood is 3 1/4 inches. Stinger hood is 4 1/2, and our L88 is again 5 1/4. You can see through the bottom of this hood, it stays the same. So it's giving you roughly 3/4 of an inch more clearance from the Stinger hood. And it's 2 inches more clearance than a stock hood. We're coming back 32 inches. 32 inches. Stock hood still 3 1/4. Stinger hood's 4 1/2. And we're still 5 1/4 here. So over a stock hood, you've grown 2 inches. Over a 67 Stinger, you're 3/4 of an inch higher. So you guys that are trying to stuff more underneath that hood, because you want to show off just a little bit more, this will help with that clearance. Okay, stock 63, L88. You all know what a stock hood looks like from the 63 to 7s. This is the L88 version. Much, much higher than a stock hood. So when you need that more clearance, this is going to give it to you. Got a little bird bath right here. You can put your ducks or whatever you want to put in it. Thanks for watching.